Welcome to Bone Chills.
It's official. We're getting into some really weird territory now. But it's to be expected, especially when your movie's called The Howling 2, Your Sister is a Werewolf. Definitely quite the title. Now, how do I explain this movie? The late and great Christopher Lee plays paranormal investigator Stefan Krasko, who enlists in the help of Karen White's brother Ben and her friend Jenny.
You telling me my sister arranged her own murder?
Yes.
Together, the trio venture over to Transylvania, and no, they're not there to vanquish Dracula, but Stirba, Queen of the Werewolves. Christopher Lee gives a very focused performance in contrast to the tone of the film. Oddly enough, it works.
But I will protect her. And I will prevent this blasphemy.
He's the one who has a grasp on everything, so we look to him to be our guide in this crazy world. And he steals the show every moment he's on screen.
It's all true, Mr. White.
This is quite the movie, to say the least. The first was a horror mystery thriller that had a creepy and unnerving atmosphere. The Howling 2, on the other hand, has none of that. What we have here is an over-the-top action horror comedy. But the over-the-top part doesn't come from the action. It comes from everything else. Slapstick comedy, over-the-top deaths, some really bad acting,
It looks like we just passed this place before, like we're driving around in circles.
and random werewolf sex. If you thought Wolf Cop was weird, wait till you see this. The story also takes a heavier dive into the world of the supernatural, but a lot of it is played for more shock value and style rather than substance. A lot of the stuff that happens, you're not meant to question it, you're just supposed to take it for what it is. Anyways, don't go in with the mindset of the original. Go in knowing you're getting into something completely different and bonkers. Unfortunately, the werewolves aren't as scary here, nor do they look as impressive. But for what the filmmakers were going for, it's decent enough. It may sound like I'm hating on this movie, but I'm not. I am disappointed they didn't carry over the eerie and mysterious tone of the original, but I can't deny that I had a fun time with this one. It has a certain charm to it. For all the flaws and absurdity that it has, it's so bad that it's good.